Arch badge on the beat.
Hello guys, David here and welcome to another Btekt. And today I've got a quick unboxing for you of the Samsung Galaxy A7. Now I do like a mid-range Samsung, so let's get this one out of the box and have a look. If you fancy a bit of triple lens action but you don't want to spend silly amounts on your handset, then this should work for you. The Galaxy A7 2018 cost around about £290. Now let me give a big shout out to Direct Mobiles. It's a great place if you're looking for a good deal on your next handset. They have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, so they're definitely well worth a look. Check down in the video description below for a link to their deals, or search directmobiles.co.uk. Now, you know me, I love photography, so I'm really excited about Samsung bringing the triple lens experience to a wider market. Inside, you'll find the quick start guide, SIM ejection tool. There's no USB Type-C in here unfortunately, but just a micro USB cable, the power brick, and finally a pair of 3.5mm earphones. I've got to say, this phone is even better looking when you see it face to face. I love the blue colour, and the aluminium frame stands out against the glass back panel, making it look really cool. We have all the buttons on the right hand side, the power button having a decent amount of separation between the volume buttons, which is good so you don't hit the wrong one by mistake. Just smooth aluminium on the top, bar a small hole for a microphone, and the SIM card tray and micro USB expansion port are on the left side. Underneath you'll find a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB 2.0 connector, and a downfiring mono speaker. There's no fingerprint scanner on the back. The fingerprint scanner is built into the power button on the side, which I absolutely loved from the old Xperia XZ1. There's nothing on the back but those 3 camera lenses and a dual tone LED flash, as well as their questionable branding that they splash across the back. I don't mind the Samsung logo, but I wish they wouldn't put that duo thing at the bottom. But apart from that, I really like the design. It's a very nice looking phone. That triple camera system consists of a 24MP wide angle main with an f1.7 lens, an 8MP ultra wide with an f2.4 lens, and a 5MP depth sensor with an f2.2 lens. So seriously impressive stuff. Around the front is no less impressive, with a 24MP selfie camera with an f2.0 lens and a 26mm full frame equivalent view. The front camera also features HDR and 1080p video recording at up to 30 frames per second. The wide or the normal lens can be used for video on the back, with video recording at up to 1080p 30 frames per second. Seems like a pretty good camera system all round, but I'll give the camera a good going over soon. The looks on the back belay what's in store for you on the front. I was quite surprised when I turned this thing round and saw those huge bezels around the OLED display. Now I don't really mind the top and bottom bezel, but the side bezels are a little bit too big for my liking. But you still get a 6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080x2240 resolution and an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. But despite those bezels, it is a striking device. Inside this model, there is 64GB of memory and 4GB of RAM, working together with Samsung's 14nm Exynos 7885 chipset, running at 2.2 GHz. Power comes from a 3300mAh battery, which is a good enough size and should be enough to get you through the day. When I got this out the box, I immediately started shooting it with my camera, because I just think the back looks so stunning. It really did surprise me. I'm going to give it a go, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get past those bezels. Top and bottom is fine, but the sides are just too big. Anyway, I'll be doing a little bit more work with this one. So if you're interested in the Galaxy A7, make sure you hit that subscribe button, double tap the notification bell, and smash the like button for me. You really should do, because I've got some really interesting stuff coming up. Stay tuned to Btekt for regular tech videos, and always done with a little bit of style. I'm David, and this is Btekt.